Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs and future affiliate marketing success seekers. Today, we're diving into an absolutely mind-blowing success story in the world of affiliate marketing. Get ready to be inspired and amazed because we've uncovered the unbelievable journey of someone who went from rags to riches through affiliate marketing. In this video, you're not only going to witness the incredible transformation of an ordinary individual into an affiliate marketing superstar, but you'll also discover the closely guarded secrets and strategies that paved their way to this remarkable achievement. It's a story of determination, hard work, and innovation that turned a dream into a reality. So if you've ever wondered if affiliate marketing could change your life, this is the video for you. Sit back, grab a notepad, and prepare to be blown away as we unveil the secrets behind this astonishing affiliate marketing success story. Before starting, please subscribe to stay updated with more content like this. Meet Sarah, our inspiring protagonist in the world of affiliate marketing. Sarah's journey is a testament to the incredible possibilities within this field. Sarah started her affiliate marketing adventure as a passionate blogger with a love for fashion and beauty. She had a knack for creating engaging content and had big dreams of turning her hobby into a full-fledged career. However, like many aspiring affiliate marketers, Sarah faced a daunting challenge. The key challenge that Sarah encountered was the fierce competition in her chosen niche. The fashion and beauty world was saturated with affiliate marketers vying for the same audience's attention. It seemed like an insurmountable task to stand out and make a substantial income from affiliate marketing. But Sarah's determination and resilience drove her to find a way to overcome this challenge and carve her path to success. She embarked on a quest to discover the strategies and tactics that would set her apart and propel her towards affiliate marketing success. And the good news is, she succeeded beyond her wildest dreams. In this video, we're going to unveil the journey of Sarah and the methods she used to triumph over this common challenge. Get ready to learn from her experiences and gain insights that could help you conquer your own affiliate marketing obstacles. Let's dive into Sarah's remarkable story and find out how she transformed her struggles into triumphs in the world of affiliate marketing. Picture this. Our affiliate marketer, John, was struggling to gain traction in the vast world of affiliate marketing. He had dabbled in various niches, experimenting with different products and promotional methods, but success remained elusive. However, everything changed when John stumbled upon a unique strategy that became the turning point in his affiliate marketing journey. He discovered the power of building a loyal email list. John had always heard that the money is in the list, but he hadn't fully grasped its potential until he decided to focus on growing his email subscribers. He offered valuable lead magnets, such as ebooks and exclusive content, to entice website visitors to opt in to his email list. The impact was astonishing. John found that once he had a direct line to his audience through email, he could nurture relationships, provide personalized product recommendations, and address their pain points effectively. As a result, his conversion rates skyrocketed. The email list not only boosted his affiliate sales, but also provided a stable and engaged audience for his content. John had finally cracked the code to sustainable affiliate marketing success. This turning point, where John shifted his focus to email marketing, not only transformed his results, but also gave him the ability to build a long-term, thriving affiliate marketing business. So if you're struggling in affiliate marketing, consider John's turning point as a valuable lesson. Building and nurturing an email list can be the game changer that propels your affiliate marketing journey to new heights. Today, we're going to uncover some of the best-kept secrets in affiliate marketing that have propelled marketers to success. These secrets aren't locked away in a vault. They're here for you to apply and boost your own affiliate marketing game. Let's dive in. 1. Diversify your affiliates. One secret is to work with a diverse set of affiliates. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Collaborate with multiple affiliates to tap into various audiences and products, spreading your risk and opportunities. 2. Content is king. Remember that content is your ace. Create high-quality, engaging, and valuable content that resonates with your target audience. This not only attracts more visitors, but also builds trust, leading to higher conversion rates. 3. Know your audience. One of the key secrets is understanding your audience. Dive deep into their needs, pain points, and preferences. Tailor your content and product recommendations accordingly to offer solutions that genuinely resonate. 4. Learn from competitors. Study your competitors. Analyze what works for them and what doesn't. This valuable insight can help you refine your strategies and stay ahead in the affiliate marketing game. 5. Understand your audience. Successful affiliate marketers know their audience inside out. Know what your audience needs and wants, and how they operate. Tailor your strategies to align with their behaviors and preferences. 6. Create varied content. Diversify your content. Explore various content types like product roundups, product reviews, comparisons, how-to articles, and more. Different types of content can attract different segments of your audience and boost your sales. Achievements and milestones. Let's take a closer look at the remarkable achievements and milestones that affiliate marketers have reached. Behind these accomplishments lies hard work, dedication, and strategic brilliance that have paved their path to success. 1. Income milestones. Many affiliate marketers have reached impressive income milestones, often starting from scratch and gradually scaling up their earnings. This showcases their ability to create profitable strategies and adapt to the ever-changing affiliate marketing landscape. 2. Awards and recognition. Some affiliate marketers have earned accolades in the industry. Affiliate of the Month awards and other recognitions are a testament to their dedication and outstanding performance. These recognitions also contribute to creating a motivating and engaging affiliate community. 3. Unveiling online success. In Nigeria, top affiliate marketers have made money with dedication and hard work. Success isn't guaranteed for everyone, but their stories reveal that commitment and following proven strategies can lead to success in the affiliate marketing world. 4. Innovative approaches. Many success stories highlight innovative approaches taken by affiliate marketers. These approaches are a result of hard work, trial and error, and the relentless pursuit of improved strategies to maximize results. 5. Passive income. Affiliate marketing offers the opportunity to make passive income, but achieving this milestone requires developing a platform and putting in the effort to attract a steady stream of commissions. It's a testament to the dedication and hard work of affiliate marketers who've succeeded in generating passive income through their strategies. Testimonials and proof. Certainly, testimonials and proof are like the glowing endorsements of an affiliate marketer's strategies. These words from satisfied customers or partners act as a beacon of trust and evidence of the effectiveness of their approach. They're the real-life success stories that give a resounding yes to the question of whether the strategies work. When you see these stories and tangible results, it's hard not to be inspired and motivated to follow in their footsteps. Challenges along the way. Along the journey, every affiliate marketer faces their fair share of challenges, from struggling to generate traffic and competition, to the constant influx of information. Obstacles can seem insurmountable. However, it's the ability to adapt, learn, and apply strategies that lead to success. Overcoming these challenges often involves in-depth competitor research, understanding one's target audience, and staying dedicated to the cause. In the end, these hurdles become stepping stones to remarkable achievements. Words of wisdom. Absolutely, for aspiring affiliate marketers, I'd say embrace the journey. Challenges are part of the process, but they are what mold you into a resilient and successful marketer. Learn from your experiences, adapt, and never lose sight of your goals. Persistence is key. Keep pushing forward even when it feels tough. Remember, every setback is a setup for a comeback. The affiliate marketing landscape is vast, so always be open to new strategies and ideas. Stay dedicated, believe in the value you bring, and you'll find that success is not a destination but a path you create. You've got this. To all our viewers, we appreciate your support and engagement. If you enjoyed the content, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support keeps us motivated to create more valuable content for you. We also want to hear from you. Leave your thoughts, questions, or suggestions in the comments below. We read every comment and love interacting with our audience. And here's the exciting part. If you're hungry for more knowledge and want to take your skills to the next level, check out more videos from our channel. Don't miss the chance to grow and learn with us. Thank you for being part of our community, and let's continue this journey of growth and success together.